day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and on this video, we are going to show you on how to synchronize your Mi Fitness data to the Strava application. But before that, I'm going to show you on how to connect your Mi Fitness to the Strava app. With this, you can transfer your activities to the Strava application if you have an account with the Strava. Okay, it is a popular sports application. As you can see here, we have the Mi Fitness and we have the Strava application. Okay, so if you are planning to connect the two apps, watch this video. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the synchronization or the connection of Mi Fitness to Strava, just drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe. We have here the Mi Fitness app. Go to the profile, tap on third-party data, and we have here the Strava. Let's connect it to the Mi Fitness app. Okay, or let's connect the Mi Fitness app to the Strava. It will open the Strava on the browser. You have an option to sign up using Facebook or log in. We'll use our Google account here. You can also use your Apple account. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. And now we are connected. Go back. I think we have to go back to the Mi Fitness app. Okay, let's open the Mi Fitness. Then let's tap on connect. Then authorize. Okay. And as you can see here, we are connected to the Strava application. Okay, so very easy to connect as long as you already have an account with the Strava app. Okay, so to check our data, let's open our fitness tracker and check on the sample for our walking test. Okay, walking sports function. Let's see the data here. Okay, let's check if it's already recorded on our Mi Fitness application. As you can see here, we all have the data of the walking sports function. So open the Mi Fitness app, and we have here, okay, the walking sports function. So we have all the data here, including the graph. Hopefully we will see some of the data here on the Strava. Not all, but some important data will be synchronized to the Strava application. Let's open the Strava application. Okay, and as you can see here, it is automatically synchronized to the Strava app. Okay, so the same time as you can see here on our fitness tracker and the Strava application. Okay, Mi Fitness already stated that there will be some discrepancies from other data, but as you can see here, the most important thing is that we were able to upload our data from Mi Fitness to the Strava app. Okay, so if you are using other devices or sports smartwatch, you can have it all here synchronized in the Strava application. Okay, so we have here the data of our walk sports function, the same calories. Okay, but for some other data it is not the same, but anyway, still it's a good feature to have in the Mi Fitness application. Okay, we have here some of additional data. Again, on the Mi Fitness app, don't forget to sync your data to the Strava. Okay, go to the settings. As you can see here, sync with the cloud. Okay, always sync this if you want to upload your data to the Strava application. Very easy, no issues at all. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.